Hello guys, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Sir Mio's garden. Sir Mio Vlogs is here. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Wow, it is a rare occasion if you can have the Philodendron erubescens white princess in your home. These tropical plants have stunning foliage with splashes of white, making them stand out in your living space. Like all philodendron plants, the white princess has underground and aerial roots that attach to support gathering watering. One thing is sure, while it has greeny pointed leaves, it remains a slow grower. The white princess is a hybrid plant similar to the philodendron white knight. The main differences are the coloration of the stems. The white knight has a darkish pink yet purple stem compared to the white princess green stem. Still, when it comes to caring for this beauty, it is similar to most other philodendron plants. Another fascinating thing is the origin of this outdoor plant is unknown, even if the species comes from Colombia. The white princess is a philodendron variety with dazzling green and white foliage. Take this gorgeous plant indoors. It thrives best under bright indirect sunlight. Its low-maintenance nature makes it perfect for first-time plant parents. Just place your philodendron white princess in a humid environment to ensure that it stays plump and thriving. You may also want to keep little humans and fur friends away from it. A white princess may look harmless, but she has a few tricks up her sleeve. This philodendron is toxic when ingested. There are two instances when you should water your white princess. First, when the top layer of the soil is dry. Then number two, when the leaves start to droop. Philodendron white princess is a fantastic rare species native to tropical rainforests in South America. Thank you so much for your love and support.